guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So the other day I made a really cute label, or actually I found a really cute label online, and I went ahead and I did a print and cut, and I applied the sticker to a Talenti jar because I had some dog treats I wanted to put in there, and it turned out super cute. So I wanted to do the same thing with my tea bags. So what I did was, this is the one that I used. And if you see, it's just one whole image, so you can't ungroup and rewrite and everything like that. So this is what I did so I could get something similar to it. So the first thing I did was I duplicated it just so I had an extra. And then I went and changed the print and cut to a basic. And that way this is a full solid. And then I'm going to do a different color just so you can see the contrast better. Let's go ahead and do purple. I'll use purple as what I'm going to do for the brown. So I have this, and I'm going to hit duplicate again. And I'm going to change this to white so you can see the contrast. And we're going to go up here and click unlock so we can make it a little bit smaller. So I'm just going to kind of place it in here. And just make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Next, I'm going to click again on the white one, duplicate, and I'm going to change this back to purple. And I'm going to unlock it so I can make it a little bit smaller. And I'm just going to kind of place it in here. Okay, so just kind of something like that, okay? Then I'm going to select all of it, go up to a line, and hit center. So all of this is centered. Then let's hit group. Actually, the size that I have was perfect, which is 7.143 in the width, and the height was 3.3. I found it to be the perfect size for the Talenti jars. So, okay, so I inserted text, and let's slide this over here. And let's write green tea. And I change this font to Sacramento. Okay, so this one, we'll go ahead and let's unlock it so we can slide it up here and make it smaller. And let's change it to white. And then I found just a straight line that I found, and I uploaded it to the Cricut Design Space. So let's go ahead and get that. Slide this over, and we'll place it right here. And we're going to change this to white as well. And then let's insert text, and let's just write caffeine. Okay, so let's slide this over here, and this one I did peaches and cream. And let's change this to white. Unlock it so we can adjust the size. Drag it up here, and then you'll just want to arrange this however you want. And then you're going to go ahead and select it. Then group, and then flatten, and that's it. That's all you do. Okay, so I have a matte printable vinyl sticker paper that I'm using, and it's not a brand name. It's 50 sheets, and it was inexpensive, and it works great. So I'll leave in the descriptions what I used. So the first thing you want to do before you go ahead and print onto the vinyl sticker paper is I like to go into the start and click on printers. And I'm going to go to the printer that I'm going to be using, which is this one. And I'm going to go to printing preferences. And I'm going to change the paper to a matte paper. And the print quality to the best. Okay. And then I'm going to hit, let's go ahead and hit apply just so it doesn't change. And then we'll have to remember to change it back. And I'm going to go ahead and load the paper into the mat, and we're going to get started. So we're going to hit send to printer, and we're going to turn the bleed off, and then we're going to hit the print button. Okay, so it just came out the printer, and now we're going to select printable sticker, and we're going to go ahead and load the mat the exact same way that you see this image right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so see how cute this is? And I just left this back here. I think it looks cute. And so here these are. We just had Cricut cut them. So let's go ahead and apply it to here. So let's go ahead and we're just going to kind of separate it here. There you go. Okay, take this off. And then I want to center it kind of, you know, in the front. Okay. Now I noticed that this one was this color. It was darker. And I thought this would be cute to do it a little bit lighter. But I think I would stick with the darker because you can kind of see the Talenti underneath it. So these are super cute. I would not put these in the dishwasher with these labels. I would, which you shouldn't have to if you are just using tea bags. There's really no reason you would have to wash this. You would just keep, just refill the tea bags. So I definitely would not wash it with the label because it probably would ruin the label. So, but I think it's cute, especially if it's something that you know you're not going to get wet. This would be perfect. And that's it, guys. So what do you guys think? Isn't this super cute? It's a good way to stay organized. And so this is the one that I did for the dog, and it's actually a darker shade. I don't know. I mean, they're both super cute. And so here's green tea. I think maybe for this one I would have made the green tea a little bit smaller just so you could see it here. But I kind of took the space all the way to the end, whereas here it wasn't. So what do you guys think? Leave a comment below, let me know. And as always, thanks for watching my tutorial today. And if you don't already subscribe and you think this channel is for you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. See you guys in the next video. Bye.